So this is between, so this area only is the one that is between.
Land use and ensuring that also that there's unity.
For government ministries, departments and agencies, National Land Commission, county governments, non-state...
The National Land Use Policy is a key pillar in the realization of 500,000 affordable housing units, food security, universal health care, and manufacturing. The abnormal cost of land, for example, in some parts of Nairobi, you get land that costs 500, 600 million shillings an acre, is as a result of poor planning.
The policy builds on the need to align the usage of land as a resource in a manner that ensures sustainability and equity. It seeks to build on His Excellency the President's one government approach to policy formulation because it will align and consolidate all legislation that govern use of land in our country.
In the forestry and allied natural resources, and we provide information and